Want to work in one of the safest, happiest countries in the world? In this video, I'll show you how to apply for a Finland work visa in 2025. And yes, this includes job sponsorship. Let's get started. First step, you need a job offer from a Finnish company. The job must be full-time, and the employer has to be ready to sponsor your work permit. Here's what you'll need to gather for your application. 1. Valid passport. 2. Signed employment contract. 3. Employer statement, includes salary, duties. 4. Proof of qualifications. 5. Passport photo. 6. Health insurance for short stays. Next step is how to apply online. Now go to enterfinland.fi and register. We scroll down. We click on First Permit. After that, you scroll down again, you click on Work. You scroll down again, you select Work and Employment in Finland. Scroll down, you click on Create User Account. So it's asking you create a user account using suomi.fi. This is for Finnish citizen, you do not need this. You are going to click Create an account using your email address. Click on it. Then you fill your information. Please refer back to the second step in the video. There you can find the list of documents you need to have handy before you start the application online. After you have filled your information and your email address, click on Create an account. So when your account has been created, you will upload all the documents in step 2 and make a payment for the visa application, which is about €490 if it is online. But if it is paper application, it is €520. Pro tips: apply online is cheaper and faster. Next, book your biometrics appointment at the Finnish Embassy or VFS office near you. You'll get your decision in 1 to 3 months. Once approved, you'll receive your Finnish residence permit card. Congrats! Want a list of companies in Finland that are hiring foreign workers with sponsorship? Drop Finland in the comments or DM me, Work Visa, on TikTok. I'll send you the list for free. Finland is an amazing country to live and work in. Don't wait. Start your application today. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs this info.